Welcome back to Royal Empire and please don't forget to subscribe. A federal judge in Florida has accredited the appearances of out-of-state Donald Trump lawyers in a courtroom docket skirmish related to a Sikh warrant finished on August 8 on the ex-president's palatial Mar-a-Lago membership and residence. U.S. District Judge Aileen M. Cannon, a Trump appointee to the Southern District of Florida, issued the approval order past due Wednesday after numerous days of wrangling via way of means of Trump lawyers. Those lawyers, James M. Trusty of Washington, D.C. and M. Evan Cochran of Baltimore, Maryland, sought to seem in Cannon's Florida court docket for Trump's case only, a method recognized as season hack vice admission. As a standard rule, legal professionals can observe for season hack admission in reference to a selected proceeding. The word means for this event only if they're individuals in precise status in their very own neighborhood bar, if they comply with paintings through neighborhood suggest, a person who's certified with inside the discussion board jurisdiction, and with the permission of the courtroom docket. However, lawyers admitted seasoned hack end-up situation to the ethics policies of the discussion board jurisdiction, as Judge Cannon alternatively sternly mentioned up the front in a Wednesday order. Trusty and Cochran are joined via way of means of attorney Lindsay Halligan of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, as neighborhood suggest. Both guys' initial seasoned hack programs on Monday, August 22, have been flagged as poor via way of means of the courtroom docket clerk. The judge then summarily denied the programs due to the fact the files have been now no longer filed correctly. A clerk's note filed past due on Monday in direct reaction to the initial seasoned hack vice motions cautioned the deficiency needed to do with a translation now no longer furnished for files written in overseas language. The federal docket, on the alternative hand, explains, documents have been filed conventionally that have to were filed electronically. Local suggest is advised to refile the motions in strict accordance with Local Rule 4b of the rules governing the admission, practice, peer review, and discipline of attorneys, Judge Cannon wrote on Tuesday, August 23 while supplying an example of the way the method is predicted to occur. Subsequent motions to seem have been then filed via way of means of each Trusty and Cochran on August 23. A second note of deficiency become entered via way of means of the courtroom docket clerk on August 23 as to the one's next motions. The identical purpose for the deficiency, that the files have been filed conventionally, become once more stated this time around. This time, the judge went ahead without a third spate of filings. The seasoned hack submitting price is $200 or $400 in total due to the fact lawyers have asked admission. However, the identical receipt quantity is mentioned below each units of seasoned hack filings, suggesting that the guys filed 2 times, however have been now no longer double billed. The trio of Trump lawyers on Monday filed a motion to mission components of the Mar-a-Lago warrant that resulted with inside the seizure of loads of pages of files, a lot of them marked with the nation's maximum diploma of classification. The record does now no longer without delay are seeking to quash the warrant itself, LAW and crime has mentioned from the inception of the case. Judge Cannon has requested Trump's legal professionals to provide an explanation for numerous questions earlier than she actions ahead with the matter, which includes questions on whether or not she has the jurisdiction to listen the claims. Trump has asserted diverse claims of privilege over the materials, however the National Archives and Records Administration appears to be of the position that Trump can't assert government privilege towards the management of Joe Biden, the cutting-edge government. In different words, a principle floated in a lately discovered NARA letter, the government department desires to have get right of entry to the files of the government department irrespective of who's the government.